Hello and welcome to this special broadcast live from Tokyo where all the sporting action is happening. And the star of the day, star of the moment is Mirabai Chanu, a 26-year-old girl from Manipur who scripted history. The first Indian weightlifter after Karna Malleshwari in 2000 to win an Olympic medal. And she wins a silver this time. What a day it was. In fact, it promised to be a huge day, but it didn't turn out to be that way. But Mirabai Chanu ensured that why she was a strong contender to win a medal. There were no hiccups, and the girl from Manipur has won India their first Olympic medal here at Tokyo Games. Here's how she achieved that feat.
India starts Tokyo Olympics with a bang.
At the end of the competition, Mirabai is a proud silver medalist for India.
Weightlifter Mirabai Chanu lifts 1.3 billion people to Olympic glory.
Silver medalist here at the top.
Clinches silver in the 49 kilogram category. Ending India's 21-year medal drought in weightlifting, the girl from Manipur lifted a record 202 kgs. Chanu attempted 84 kg in her first snatch and she cleanly heaved the barbell. She lifted 87 kg next but failed to lift 89 in her final attempt. She was placed just behind leader Zhou after the snatch event. Mirabai's Chinese counterpart went on to script a new Olympic record with an overall effort of 210 kg. Up next was clean and jerk, Chanu's pet event. She lifted 110 kg and 115 kg in her first two attempts. Her final lift at 117 kg was unsuccessful, but she was assured of a silver medal by then. With this performance, the 26-year-old has buried the ghosts of Rio, where she could only manage one clean lift in 6 attempts. A year after Rio, she bounced back by winning the World Championship. And then the very next year, she won the Commonwealth Gold as well. And now, she has an Olympic medal. Surely, life has come a full circle for the Manipur girl. From lifting firewoods to scaling Olympic glory, Mirabai Chanu is a story of presence, grit and determination. With Rahul Rawat and Boria Majumdar in Tokyo, Sports Bureau India Today.
All right, what an achievement that was. Perhaps Mirabai Chanu may have set the tone for things to come as far as India at these Olympics is concerned. I'm also joined by our consulting editor Boria Majumdar, who's also in Tokyo and watching all the action from the closest of quarters. Boria, it wasn't a day that you were expecting. In fact, everybody was expecting it to be a very good day as far as shooters were concerned. But still, you would take that one medal and Mirabai Chanu, a story that everybody would love to, love to know and also get inspired by.
Rahul, in 100 years, it's not happened. I mean, so obviously I'll take it. In 100 years, we have never won a medal on day one of an Olympic Games. Yes, we were expecting two, and there's no qualms. I mean, I have no problems in saying that I was expecting two. Both you and I had said Mira, and I had said Saurabh as well. And look at what Saurabh did. I mean, so I was expecting two. Having said that, a silver medal to start off the first day of an Olympic Games, if I was told this from India, I would have given an arm and a leg. I was there in Rio, I was there in London, in Beijing. We've never had this kind of success on day one. This lifts morale, this lifts momentum. So I'm absolutely delighted, Rahul. I hope the others feel inspired, the word you used, and we win many more in the days to come.
But Boria, you know, London also we started well, and at times, you know, the way Meera has started, maybe still I completely understand and I completely agree with you that we actually expected a lot more medals than just a solitary medal from Mirabai Chanu. But yes, shooting, as far as shooting is concerned, you know, they may not have won a medal, but still India can better that London tally.
Oh, absolutely, absolutely. I mean, look at the day's performance. I mean, Saurabh Chaudhary 586 in the excuse me, in the qualification. So that clearly sets him up. I mean, it's not as if he was shooting badly. That sets him up for the mixed medal with Manu Bhaker if he does well. Look at the Satvik Chirag performance. I mean, to take out the world number 3, Satvik and Chirag, they need one more win.
Right.
And if they qualify from that group, that is a surprise medal coming. Pullela Gopichand, and I've told you this. Pullela Gopichand kept telling me about Satvik and Chirag. And look at the way, 27-25 in that final decider. I've got no debate. I've actually put a bet today with 2 journalists back home that this will be the best ever Olympics. So hopefully I'll win that.
Absolutely. I think, Boria, you mentioned about Satvik and Chirag. I think that's the biggest news after Mirabai Chanu today. Not hockey. They've won a very good match against New Zealand, who are a very tricky opponent. Sumit Nagal also has won his first round match. But I think, as you said, Satvik and Chirag have done incredibly well. But star of the moment is Mirabai Chanu. I caught up with Mirabai after she won that medal, and she spoke exclusively to India Today, and that joy, that exuberance was pretty evident on her face and in her voice. टोक्यो ओलंपिक्स की भारत की पहली विजेता यानी पहली मेडलिस्ट मीराबाई चानू, और उनके हाथ में ये सिल्वर मेडल है ओलंपिक का। मीरा, 4 साल का स्ट्रगल, सब कुछ मेहनत, ये आज फाइनली
हाँ फाइनली हो गया है। सिल्वर मेडल मिल गया। 4 साल नहीं, 5 साल की है। 5 साल पूरा हो गया है हमने मेहनत करते हुआ इसी के लिए। मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, मैं बता नहीं सकती बहुत खुश हूँ। मेरा जो भी सपोर्ट है, मेरा कोच, फैमिली और वेट लिफ्टिंग का जो भी ये सपोर्ट है मुझे, तो मैं थैंक यू बोलना चाहती हूँ।
अच्छा, मैं आप लोगों को एक छोटी सी चीज़ और दिखा दूँ कि मीराबाई के अगर आप इयररिंग्स देखें, मेरा थोड़ा सा आप अगर दिखाएं जी, ये इसमें आप देखें 5 ओलंपिक की रिंग्स हैं। और मीरा, ये कब ये गोल था आपका, टारगेट था कि मुझे?
हाँ मुझे मैंने रियो ओलंपिक में जो फेल हुआ था तो वो बहुत दुखी हो रहे थे, तो फिर उसी के बाद मैंने कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स में मेडल लिया था। तब मैं सोचा था, मन में आया था मुझे एक ओलंपिक का रिंग बना के मेरा साथ रखूंगी, तो ऐसा ही मैंने ड्रीम किया था, मैं मेडल ओलंपिक का मेडल लूंगी ऐसे करके। तो मैंने ये बना के हाथ में मेरे साथ ही रखा था। तो
मेरा आपने बड़े सारे सैक्रिफाइसेस भी करे हैं, बहन की शादी छोड़ दी, फोन छोड़ दिया, खाना पीना डाइट के साथ, अब सारे पूरे हो गए?
पूरा हो गया। मैंने जो भी सब कुछ मैंने सेक्रीफाइस किया था, तो इसी की फल है। आज मैंने सिल्वर मेडल लिया टोक्यो ओलंपिक में, तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। थैंक यू सो मच।
जो आपका सुना है, आप नेहा कक्कड़ की बड़ी फैन है, उनके गाने बहुत सुनती हैं, गाना आपको बहुत पसंद है, नाचना बहुत पसंद है, सब होगा?
हाँ जी होगा बिल्कुल। मुझे गाना
सुना दीजिए फिर।
गाना तो मैं नहीं आती, मैं वो सुनती हूँ। और मुझे नेहा कक्कड़ का गाना बहुत पसंद है।
ये जर्नी के बारे में अगर आप बताएं, आज क्या चल रहा था आपका? आज कैसे आप देख रही थी पूरा दिन? सुबह से जब उठी
सुबह से हाँ, मैं सोच रही थी कि मैं जो भी मैंने मेहनत किया है, ट्रेनिंग में जो भी किया है मैं करूँगी, ऐसा ही सेम मैं स्टेज में जाके मैं करूँगी। वही सोच के ही मैं कल रात से मैं ऐसे ही
सुबह जब आप उठी, आज मेडल दिख रहा था आपको जब आँख खुली थी?
हाँ, मैं पूरा सपना ले रही थी कि मैं मेडल लूँगी, गोल्ड लूँगी। तो गोल्ड लेने के बाद पोडियम में सेंटर में खड़े रहे तो कैसा फील होगा, वैसे बहुत खुश हो रहे थे मैं मन में। तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था सुबह से मुझे फील।
तो पेट में भी आप थोड़ा सुना, आपके थोड़ा पेन था कुछ?
हाँ, मैं प्रॉब्लम है अभी ठीक है, मेडल ले लिया।
चलिए, वेरी गुड। देखिए, मीराबाई चानू सिल्वर मेडलिस्ट, और सिल्वर मेडल उनके हाथ में है। ये मेहनत उनकी फाइनली रंग लाई। और मुझे फिलहाल इजाज़त दीजिए। टोक्यो से राहुल रावत। In fact, not once, but twice I managed to catch Mirabai. Once, of course, here, and then in a lift as well. You know, there's a relevance to the flowers that are being presented to these athletes, to the medalists who end up on podium. So I just checked with Mirabai if she is aware of the relevance and the significance of the flowers that are being presented to the athletes this time. Just listen into this.
कहाँ से आई हैं ये?
टोक्यो के
2011 में यहाँ पे अर्थक्वेक आया था, उसमें 20,000 लोग मरे थे। जो जिन जगह से जहाँ पे डेथ हुई थी ना, स्पेशली
अच्छा
उस जगह।
वाह, इसलिए अब ये देखो नया
ये जो फ्लावर्स हैं, इनका पता है क्या है? कहाँ से आई हैं ये?
टोक्यो के
2011 में यहाँ पे अर्थक्वेक आया था, उसमें 20,000 लोग मरे थे। जो जिन जगह से जहाँ पे डेथ हुई थी ना, स्पेशली
अच्छा
उस जगह।
वाह, इसलिए अब ये देखो नया
ये जो फ्लावर्स।
Well, an Olympic medal is a rarity in this country, in India. And Mirabai's medal, in fact, makes it 29 Olympic medals as far as India is concerned. Obviously, she is getting the accolades. In fact, praises are being flooded in. Here's what the country is talking about.
History has been made. Exorcising the ghosts of Rio 2016, Mirabai Chanu rose to the occasion in Tokyo. And the world bowed down to Mirabai Chanu, India's latest Olympic medal winner. Prime Minister Narendra Modi was quick to put out a congratulatory message celebrating Chanu's silver medal win, calling it a stupendous performance. Even Sports Minister Anurag Thakur sent his wishes to Chanu for her incredible achievement.
Let me first congratulate Mirabai Chanu. A big thank you for bringing a big smile on the faces of 135 crore Indians. First day, first medal, a silver medal. You made the country proud. We are so grateful to you, and you inspire the entire India, our Indian contingent in Tokyo Olympics.
Karnam Malleshwari, who before Chanu had won the last weightlifting medal for India back in 2000 Sydney Olympics, was ecstatic as well.
बिल्कुल गर्व की बात है जी, बहुत खुशी की बात है। 21 साल बाद दोबारा हमारा जो वेटलिफ्टिंग फैमिली में खुशी आई है, एंड इसकी बहुत ज्यादा जरूरत भी हमें। इसके साथ ही जो हमारे जूनियर वेटलिफ्टर्स हैं, उनको बहुत ज्यादा प्रोत्साहन और मोटिवेशन मिलेगा।
Glued to the television and seeing their kin bring glory to the nation, Mirabai Chanu's family was far too excited. And why shouldn't they be? After all, there's no dream bigger than winning an Olympic medal for a sports person. And their daughter has just done that.
क्या बोलेगा भाई, एकदम बहुत खुश है। अच्छी तरह से तो सिल्वर गोल्ड लेने का हम उम्मीद था बहुत, तो लेकिन फिर भी हो नहीं पाया। कोई बात, सिल्वर मेडल से इंडिया और मणिपुर के लिए इतना नाम कमाया, तो बहुत खुश हूँ।
Politicians, film stars, sports persons, all heap praises on India's star weightlifter. Indian football team captain Sunil Chhetri put out a touching word, highlighting how Chanu's medal has lifted the spirits of the entire nation amid the gloom spread by the pandemic. Cricketer Ravichandran Ashwin highlighted how it takes years and years of hard work for an Olympian to reach the podium, a relentless struggle that holds true in Mirabai Chanu's case. Even her coach Vijay Sharma spoke about the sacrifices she has had to make to get here.
जब ट्रेनिंग कर रहे थे तो हम इस हिसाब से ट्रेनिंग कर रहे थे कि हम गोल्ड के लिए फाइट करेंगे, लेकिन कुछ परिस्थितियां ऐसी बनी कि हमें सिल्वर पे संतुष्ट रहना पड़ा, और ये पार्ट ऑफ द गेम है, ये होता है। उसका डिसिप्लिन होना एक इतना बड़ा प्लस पॉइंट है, ये सारी चीजें।
Chanu's moment in history is finally here. Winning the silver after the Rio debacle gives us the perfect reminder that nothing comes easy, but nothing is impossible too. Bureau Report, India Today.
Well, the toast of town is Mirabai Chanu, but we are also expecting medals from other disciplines as well. Hockey, they started well today. A tricky match against New Zealand. They always are. the Indian players, in fact, the Indian team in their Pool A encounter, Rupinder Pal opened the scoring for India with a penalty stroke. Thereafter, Harmanpreet with his trademark short penalty corners. In fact, he converted both of them to put India ahead, and eventually India won the match 3-2. Next, they play Australia, a formidable opponent, but still India is this time perhaps maybe they can actually finish on the podium this time. Boria, 41 years, it's been 41 years since India, who were once the powerhouse of hockey, can they actually make it? Because they look good to make it to the knockouts, but thereafter it is anybody's game.
Yeah, that's the point. I mean, you get to the knockouts and then it's 2 games. I mean, that's what Manpreet and Srijesh, when they spoke to me before we came here, that's what it is about. And Graham Reid, they know that. This team has fitness. I mean, Rahul, if you talk about the yo-yo test, which is so very common because of cricket, we talk about 17 for the cricketers. No hockey player is under 21 out of 24. So you think about the fitness levels of these guys, they're pretty extreme now. So they will be able to hold on to the 60th minute, all 4 quarters, not give up in the last minute. Today you saw that. Multiple penalty corners from New Zealand, multiple opportunities created, but the Indians held on. They did not lose nerve. They did not lose fitness. They were not lacking in intensity. So every reason, and they've beaten Australia, they've beaten New Zealand, they've beaten Netherlands, they've beaten Germany, they've beaten Argentina and Belgium in the last few years. So why not? If you put in your best at the Olympic stage, you know, this is you're on the cusp of history. So definitely today's win will lift our morale for tomorrow. Big game against Australia.
Well, absolutely big game. In fact, this is the very same venue where India defeated Pakistan to win the 1964 Olympic gold. Hockey, I'm talking about the hockey final. Now also, Boria, you were up early today, for an 8:30 qualifying round. You were pretty early at the ranges, at the shooting ranges, and what you saw was pretty disappointing performance, especially from the women, from the individual women around the two Indian shooters, Elavenel and Apurvi Chandela, were pretty disappointing. Elavenel did try to come back, but eventually couldn't. And Saurabh, incredible performance in the qualifying round, but experience perhaps got the better, or rather pressure got the better of him.
I think so too. I mean, that 47.4 in the first set in the final is unheard of from Saurabh Chaudhary. He tried to come back with a 50-ish, but then, it was too late. And then obviously pressure got the better of him. But I think he has a great chance in the mixed. I've been saying it from day one. Tomorrow, Manu, Yashaswini, Divyansh, Deepak. Divyansh and Manu and Yashaswini have done extremely well in recent World Cups. So no reason to believe that they won't come back. Plus we have the 2 mixed events on the 27th. So yes, pretty bad day for the shooters today. But then, one good performance from one fellow will lift the rest of the team. So I'm fingers crossed, Divyansh, Manu, Yashaswini, we will have a good day in shooting tomorrow.
Well, also archery. India also competed in the archery mixed team event. Deepika Kumari qualified. In fact, Deepika Kumari and Praveen Jadhav, they paired up for the mixed team event. Deepika, remember, finished 9th in her individual category, while Praveen finished 31st. But they teamed up. But they got a tougher opponent in South Koreans. Boria?
Absolutely. I mean, you expected that they will take out the Chinese Taipei. That was a good win. You and I were together. Then South Korea 6-2. They've been just too good, the Koreans from yesterday. Deepika, in her individual category, she was shooting very well today as well. So you would give her a chance. If she gets into groove, she can take out one of the Koreans. I mean, it is not beyond her to take the Koreans out. So it's been a mixed day. Badminton, brilliant. Mirabai Chanu obviously takes the cake. In shooting, Saurabh was fantastic in the qualifiers. It's been a mixed day. In hockey, you've done well. In table tennis, Shutirtha Mukherjee and Manika Batra, you've done well. Yes, you won't give them a medal, but you are going to give Satvik and Chirag a real chance. In hockey, you'll give them a real chance. In shooting, if they improve tomorrow. So I am pretty happy with the proceedings of day one. I would have loved another medal from Saurabh, but that's okay. I mean, a good start from India on day one. I am still saying we will be much better off than London, and this will be the best ever Olympics.
And towards the end of the day, Boria, you seemed pretty shocked. I think Vikas Krishan wouldn't have been that shocked the way you reacted after he was thrashed in his opening round.
You know, Rahul, for me, what matters at the Olympic level is effort. You know, and that lacked there. If you have seen the bout, there was not one round where Vikas was actually trying to attack and make a match of it. Yes, he got a cut in his eye, that happens, but that was in the second round, in the 3rd minute of the second round. By then, the Japanese had almost taken the round, 5-0 unanimous verdict, and I'm saying it was a 5-0 unanimous. Vikas did not even look up. That irritates me. You know, we were told he's prepared so hard, etc. When it comes, the stage comes, you attack, you put in your effort, you make it look count. After that, if you lose like a Saurabh Chaudhary has today, after that incredible effort, we are fine. But in Vikas's case, and that's why you saw me as upset, I was frustrated because you support these athletes, but when effort is lacking, that's when you get slightly upset and disappointed. Maybe I was overreacting because I was hoping very good things from Vikas, but I think this is the end of his career. I don't think he will have another Olympic Games left.
Absolutely. You don't come here to make numbers. You come here to win. At least give your opponent a tough fight. Also in badminton, as we mentioned earlier in the show, that the good news was that Sai Praneeth, Sai Praneeth started, of course, on a bad note. He lost to Israel's Misha 17-21 and 15-21. However, the doubles pair of Satvik and Chirag Shetty played a sensational match to take out 3rd seeds. Now, as Boria mentioned, they could actually be the dark horses as far as the men's doubles is concerned to win a medal. All right, and table tennis also, of course, Manika Batra and Sutirtha Mukherjee, they managed to get to the next round in the singles, in the women's singles, but Manika Batra and Sharat Kamal, they crashed out of the mixed team event. Sumit Nagal, of course, he progressed with a good win with a 3-set victory over Istomin. He beat Asian Games champion Denis Istomin 6-4, 6-7, 6-4. So that's it. And shooters, there'll be shooters again in the fray tomorrow, and we are hoping for a better performance from the Indian shooters tomorrow. That's it from here, but news and updates from Tokyo Olympics will continue because Boria and me, we are both here for exactly the same reason. Thanks for watching. News and updates will continue.